So you've got this machine moving forward on behalf of the natural world, changing things day by day, but of course we know that big change doesn't just happen overnight. It happens in tiny increments every single day, and then suddenly we look back and go, oh my goodness, what on earth just happened for that decade?
We have to come to regard nature as alive, as more than a dead resource to be extracted from human ends, or our society will collapse and basically prove that. So that work has to happen, and you all are or can be at the vanguard of that. In every single area of law and human society, in law, politics, economics, social, religion, all of these different things need to be created in nature. That is an incredible amount of work, but it's also something that I find incredibly exciting.
Our task now is to get together like this, to keep understanding all of this, face the change that's coming and the change we all have to make, including so vitally to our laws, weave the narrative of interbeing, and throw a better party.